Oh, its leg came out, you guys.
Oh yeah, that leg just
There, this leg came out too, see?
Yeah. It's what they keep. That's what they keep.
They're all different heights, just like
Is that one number? That was number 9. See that? 9. What is it? What's happening? Going to war? look at they're all sipping the same too. Look! My money's on the okay, mine is fourth. My money's on the pink one. Yeah, mine too. Oh, so wait, that one's good. Oh, that one doesn't like any good.
I think they all went crazy.
Look at this way.
I think they all went crazy.
Here we go. Yeah!
My money's on the left, the small one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one's great.
Oh yeah. Nice eye. Whoa. That thing trying to commit suicide?
Drowning itself.
They're all trying to drown themselves.
That's kind of weird.
I like
Walk and scare 'em.
these. Oh, that one's 24.
Look, I got a brick. Aspen, put that down.
Put that back.
I wonder how much times they fight a day. They're like 100. I want to see what's next.
Does. Whoa! Dude, that thing's sick! That thing's sick! What's it called? What's it called?
Toucan.
Pecan!
I know, toucan, yeah.
It's not till January.
Mom, it's
anyways.
toucan. Look how pretty, guys. It goes like Nick. Aspen,
Hi, Josh. Do you guys want to go in there? This is the African bird.
we can go in there?
We can go in the building. and
Yeah,
do
come on, Jimmy, yeah, let's go. Papa Lucy. Papa Lucy.
On the Mr. Door.
Mom.
Down the Mr.
Mom, can you go in here?
Yeah, we can. It doesn't work. Robert, that button doesn't work. It smells like bird butthole.
Say, okay. here, birdies. Look at us. Smells like McDonald's. Try it. It smells worse over there. What? I know, like right over here. It's like, oh.
What the crap is this? Oh, it's a pot right there.
Holy crap. Cool. Ew, worms.
Where?
Dude, they're live.
Those are to eat.
Oh, what the crap is that?
Insects are heavily relied on by parent birds to feed
Ooh,
their chicks
look at
while
that,
they are
Robert.
growing up.
That's what we were
That's what you guys were
eating.
eating.
Moo.
You guys ate those crickets.
Hashtag
No, at
that's
least they
what
were
we
dead.
I know. And covered in mustard and cheese. That was still pretty horrible.
Looks like, oh,
Oh, look at that bluebird. Look at that blue one. That one's my favorite. Whoa, where'd it go?
where's the blue jay?
There's
Where's
one.
the blue jay?
Look at the cardinal.
Cardinal. What is that? Red
Are
custard.
you guys talking about the cardinals?
Good job.
Look at the cardinal. The bird cardinal. I'm taking a pic of the blue one.
That's right.
Blue jay. It looks just like that.
I found a blackberry.
Mama, I found a blackberry.
A blackberry?
I see a blackberry.
It's taken back.
Look how sweet. Look how the water just goes off of their feathers right away.
Yeah, it's not
It doesn't
even
even
wet.
soak in, yeah. That's what's so neat about it. Look at that one.
But since into their head,
Kind of funny. Her looks a little wet.
why don't they just want to go up there?
I don't know.
Look at them. They're not even wet.
I want to see a purple board. They only spot me red. That's a staff.
Yeah, that's how they clean themselves.
Oh, look at that. They're on the black one. Yeah, that's the Stillers.
Look
That's
at
the Stillers. He's on the Stillers too. Dun, 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 dun. Ew, that's so weird. It's like weird.
What?
Look at it. It's like so white colored. I want to see. Where is it, dude?
Oh, that's on the
Bengals.
Bengals. Yeah.
You shall not pass.
You shall not pass.
Go this way, guys. Owls.
Owl.
What's your name again? I forgot your name. Jude. Jude. Oh, I thought you're Juke. A Juke. Oh, my space is almost taken up. It is? See ya. Wait, hope you guys like the birds.
Yeah. Hope you guys like the birds. See y'all.
See ya. We're probably about to leave anyway in
Yeah.
a little bit after the owls, so I'll probably turn it back on if I see anything interesting to show you guys.